times The Simpsons predicted the future?
The Simpsons is warning us about this Bible event.
You've probably heard the conspiracy theory that The Simpsons can predict everything about the future, so here's the whole tea on the rumor and how they do it.
Ask Google about The Simpsons predictions of the future.
Daki po snem tat adu kini kisngi menta kadang don bet ke jing ekran shapang ke jingla ban let ubriu shakalawi kaba ki chukhat de ktin paring the concept of time travel and time machine. But ka jingkring jong ka subject jong ka time travel kalong na marba ubriu ula ban let shakalawi ban iye ka ban saja. But lada ki don gino ki jingja ki ba ishir kai tiu tu ubriu bala ban let shakalawi ulaban wan pai biang shakapor ka buminta bad wad linti ban pinkala ikita ki jingja ki ban sawan kani gadi ka mat ka bakong san bha ka bayadai haba ki brio ki kren shapang ka time travel da ka time machine ubrio ulaban ya lingba ya kapor ban pet ikita ki jingja ki ban sawan Henry ladangi ong yapi ba omday tangleng ba ka time machine ba ka time travel bangila abanyo iya kita ki jingja ki bansawan. Henry ka don pat sadaka way ka binta lani kata ka sus bangila abanyo i kabababon kinget bagadi ka conspiracy theory. But nakadaw jong kata babon ba ki jingja ha ka pertay lada biya tulu pa. But ngila aban pendon kam ya kata ka sus banyo iya ka ika bansaja. Bon na pi pinsayong bakam la aban longkumta pinsayong bangim la aban ngit niya kata. Badla dangi ong yapi bahaga jingtip jong kibriyo ki banget ki conspiracy theories kata ka sos kabapentip lupa shapang galaway kadei ka cartoon series kabagi khot The Simpsons. Bon na pipila banong bangi kren beat shapang kata bad banginget yakum kata ka series kabadei ka cartoon. But kumno kata ka series cartoon kalaban tip shapang galaway ban predict ika future. Kani gadi ki ika bakring but bas ngutanat ban tip shapang ki conspiracy theories. Namar bo pinda snap iki theories hakapor ka baningkong pin samraki but pinum nget yaki Henry suki the one ra iki evidence kita ki sabut ki beyaday but kita ki theories ti ki briu ki laban ya perkhat balaburi bun ki inangi Hakani ka perthai ka thok ingi, but ngim tip ay shapang jongka. The world is fake. Ladangi perkhat, batang na ini cartoon, ngilaban tip niya kalaway ka bansaja, te kalong ke ka babu jingkali ingi. Hatu, yo kini kinong sna jongkani ka cartoon, Simpsons, kidei kibriyo kibawan na kalaway. Lani kita ki priyo ki bawan na ka future ban ay jing maham yangi yaki ay ki ban saja ladangi perkat kalong ki ka bamlaban ngit ba uwan unu priyo na kalaway bad usna yakaway ka TV show kabala ban batay lupa yaki ay ka ban saja a tool that predicts the future daga ba shus ngap yakata ngulaban ngit Henry ka don hi ka jing shisha hey Pikan mau na bahag episode ka baningkong ngilada ong lupa ya gani ka kintin. Balada pis nga piki conspiracy theories pila banong begini ki kamkay suda. Henry suki pasuki lada piyad shakmat bat piwad jingtip. Kalaban bu jingkali ya ka jingbom ngait ka chongpi. Bat kini ki theories kilaban day ki jing shisha. Kumbang ilaya tu ipi shapang ka jingja jong ka 9/11 haka episode ka baar. Hadiin bu pilapet ya gani ka episode di pila perkhat hi baga jingja jong ka 9/11 kadei kata ka inside job lani ka kam kabalale hi ka sarkar. The Simpsons kata ka show ka bajrong baha bat ka babun baha ki episode ka bumi ning kong house nam katkandai spa prapokandai kani ka series kalapaw ha barog way ka perthai bat na dus nam katkandai spa prapokandai kani ka cartoon series The Simpsons kalapan iya bun ba ki jingja ki ban saja lingba ki episodes ki chongki but bun ba ni kita ki predictions ki laja but bun ki ban saja haki por but haki sngi ki ban sawan pinum laban poi perkhat kan no po tali ki jingja bagani ka series kalapani ngin batay yapi shapang kita ki predictions Lani kita ki jing pen ilupa ki bala debja ki bala batai dengan ika cartoon series The Simpsons. Haus nem kat kendai spa kendai pusan. Haka episode ka bakat kendai jong ka season ka Henrio. Kata ka brio hagan ika cartoon ka bakarteng ka Liza. Ka lecha ka nong tokot. Kata ka fortune teller. But ka ni ka fortune teller ka pinya keren ya ka ni ka Liza. But kata ka wei ka Liza ka padan haka future ka padi makahi. Lingba ka picture phone. Hagan ika episode ya kata ka tiar ka baka Liza ka keren ki khot ya ka picture phone. Kabadai kata ka video call bamanging ya le menta haga juk ka jongi. Ya gani ka episode lapani host nam kat kandai spa kandai pusan. Bad haki tu ki por don mano bala man perkat ba en laban le ikini ki video call. Kaba mangi menta ngi laban le habarok we ka pertei. Bad hagani ka juk episode lapan shapang kita ki smart watches. Host nam kat kandai spa kandai pusan don gano ka jingkaren shapang ki smart watches. Henry gani ka show ka lapan kita. But hadian art post nem kini ki smartwatches kiladon menta. But bun ba ki brio ki pendon kami kita ki smartwatches menta. Tang hak we ka episode jong ka Simpson lada bi lupa ye kita ki predictions lani ki jing yat lupa shapang ki tiar ban sashna daga company Apple. House nem karkandai spa kandai pusau kani ka joka series hi kalada penilupa ban sami ki GoPro cameras ru. Haka episode ka bakalai jong ka season ka basan. Lapan magidan ki brio ki papendeng yo Homer Simpsons ya kata ka tupia ka badan berka kamera. How news nem bumi ka ni ka episode don ka no ka jingkren shapang ki GoPro cameras. Henry tangkat tu kanis nem hadin kilami kini ki cameras. How new jo hius nem. Haka we ni ki episode jong ka Simpsons lapan kata ka brio. Ka badang shed jing shed haka we ka jakabam. Bad haga taka por ka bu di ki do jong ki kulai haga jing shed ka jongka. Bad ka penbam ki brio da ka do kulai. Ya ka ni ka episode lapan house nem kat kandai spa kandai pusau. House nem arajar khalai ka laja ka we ka scandal ka bahe bha ha Europe ka ba ki khot the horse meat scandal.
The horse meat scandal started in Ireland and the United Kingdom in January, but has since spread all around the EU. DNA checks on beef have found that some products, including hamburgers, contained as much as 30% horse meat.
Would testicles be more iron?
Bon ba kinong supply do hakiri Europe kilaya thok but di daga do kulai ki pait ba. But bon ba ki brio ki babam ya gani ga do ki klem tip ya kata. Kani ga di kata ka food scandal ka bahe tam ka baja Europe. But ya gani ga jingja la de bi thulupa. Daga Simpsons, host nem kat kandai spa kandai po sao. Kalong ke ike ka bapin kulmar jing mudpa, namar ba kaya hablut tik patik ka jing batay jong kani ka cartoon series. But kani ka jingja, la embandey da ka way ka jaddo, henry ka daday tik na kataka do kulay. Host nem arhajar nyo, ka Simpsons kala predict ba ka sorkar, ka ngaplut ya ka jingkaren jong iki brio. Lingba ki mobile phones.
The government is listening to everybody's conversation.
Hagani ka juk government kamdei ka issue ka bahe. Warla da ngitip baga sorkar ka ngapi ki jingkren ki jongi. Namar ngila yamlin ni kani bro. Ngitaray pila yo ihi balada pi syong hajan ki mobile phones. Badla da pia keren shapang kino ki tiar kitar. Tetang hadin kartukan ipor la refi on ni kita ki mobile phones ki chong pi. Pilap ne em bagi mi ki advertisement jong kitu ki tiar kitar ki ba mo pi pidang shida pia keren.
Have you ever felt like the ads that you see on your social media feed are specifically targeted to you? It's almost like the app is listening to your conversation. I know it's happened to Katie on Instagram.
Yeah, Charisse, you know, my friend and I were talking about a specific cruise that she went on, and just a few minutes later, an ad for that specific cruise popped up into my Instagram feed. So it made me wonder, if they're not listening, how could that happen?
Yes or no, does Facebook use audio obtained from mobile devices to enrich personal information about its users?
No.
The
well, Senator, let me be clear on this. I mean, so you're talking about this conspiracy theory that gets passed around that we listen to what's going on your microphone and use that for ads.
Right.
We don't do that.
So it made me wonder, if they're not listening, how could that happen?
Right, here's that cell phone story you've been waiting for. Cell phone users beware, Big Brother may be listening. The Federal Bureau of Investigation can now hear everything you say, even when the cell phone is turned off.
Edward Snowden ru ulakren shipang kani bigi sarkar jung partai baroko wei kisngap iki jingkren jung iki brio pila ban yawat bat ban puli shipang jungu balei bo utrai jung Facebook Mark Zuckerberg ru uka yala ka webcam bat iki microphone jung ka laptop ka jungu uting yanuko perkhadi mapi Hake episode bakhan riu jong ka season bar fusan ka Simpsons ka lapan iye ka football world cup ka game ka jingele kai ka bayale ka Germany but ka Brazil but haka tu ka episode ka job ka Germany tipikan mau em bah ka world cup manu ba job ye ka tu ka game tipur khat ma phi kum nu ka laban long la ya thu lupa ye ka football world cup Kini ki jinge thul pa jong kani ka cartoon series The Simpsons. Kipen lingo but kipen tharai ru ye ki pait ba beginong shna jo kani ka Simpsons ki wan na ka future. House nam 8000 khadar ka Simpsons kalapani ba ka Lady Gaga kan salong kata ka headliner jong ka Super Bowl. But pet ba kumno ka Simpsons kalapani ye kata ka performance jong ka Lady Gaga hakani ka even. Lapan iya gani house nam 8000 khadar. But pet house nam 8000 khanyo ka headline hi ka Lady Gaga ya gani ka Super Bowl event. But ka jinge sariyam jo ka performance ka jongka ka long thick kum haga to ka cartoon series. Ka jinglong president jong Donald Trump ru ladab ya thulupa da gani ka cartoon series. But haga episode bakhad nyo jong ka season bakhad way. Kipani thick ya gani ka video Kabau new president udang hiar niki mau step lingba ke escalator kumno laban batai bnia bat pen I bnia do gani perkhad I mopi to la rebia thulupa shapang president jongkari America Henry gabalingo shushupat kalong bikila ya thulupa yu nong job jongka Nobel Prize ru take patek bat kakerteng ka jongu Hake episode ka ba shipau jong ka season ka ba arpuar. Lapan I ba u Ben Holstrom u job ya ka Nobel Prize. But house nam 8000 khanrio ka jashisha kumta. Ba u Ben Holstrom u job ya ka Nobel Prize hake economics. Kini gidi jinge thulu pa ke ba penlengo ya ka partai brokoi. Sakaway de ka jinge thulu pa ka ba he tam. Higgs boson lani utau God particle. Kata ka kerteng tingi tharai bon na phi playos ngo lada pidi ki khana ba police science ti playos ngo ki ta ki kantin ye phi ki bom tip shapang Higgs boson lani to God particle ngin bata ye phi ki de ki la bata yengi ha ka code science pa ki don ki ta ki electrons ki protons ki neutrons ki bashna ye ka jingem but ki don ki theories ki bong ba po uniu atom Bahau atom dang don jing don lan ki electrons ki protons but ki neutrons ki ba ai mass yu tau atom but uta u ba ai mass ki atom ki khod u Higgs boson lani utau God particle ye gani ka idea ye gani ka theory la batai house nam kar khandai span rupusau but na du snam kar khandai span rupusau ki scientist habaro kui ka purthai ki ale bania wad bet ye kata ka equation ban wad ye ka value ka jingshong kia lani ye ka mass jung tau Higgs boson house nam kar khandai spa khandai pupra hake episode ba shipho jung ka season ba ar lapan I hakani ka episode ba u Homer Simpsons Uday uwe u scientist but udang trikam shiphang ka topic jung u God particle hakata ka blackboard ka jung u babon pa ki equation but uni u Homer Simpson hakani ka episode udang tho ye kata ka equation ban lab ye ka jing shong khia jung u tau God particle but house nem 8000 khadar hadin kini ki snem balapan ye kani ka episode ki scientist hadin biklapan lud ki po kror tingka ki lalab ye kata ka equation jung u God's particle but kata ki equation kari ka ju thick kumbala tho hakatu ki equation kabla ya tho lupa hakatu ki episode jong ka Simpsons kumno laban ya tho lupa ye ka scientific equation kumba shipho khalar snem menchwa taru nagani ka cartoon series Kumno ken kalaban long kumta. Kumno laban yatho lupa. Taru yaka scientific equation. Kani ka weni kita ki topic. Babun ki brio kinget bakidong tho pat kinong shna. Jongane ka cartoon series The Simpsons. Kadei ki bana shakalaway. Kita ki brio na ka future. Ka cartoon series The Simpsons. Kadei ka weni kita ki conspiracy theory. Bapaw bat bawan hakamat bahana baro. Ki babun ba kita ki jingpan I lupa. Jongani ka cartoon series. But bon ni gitaru kilong ki kam ki ba ishirkhay. Kilong ki jingja ki ba ishirkhay ki ban saja. But ki baladeb ja. Kum ka 9/11 ka topic ka bangiladeb ekren. Haka part 2 bingin agsuda paladsyan. Ki don arjad ki conspiracy theories ki biadei bagani ka cartoon The Simpsons. Kabaning kong kani ka show kadei ka predictive programming. Ngiladeb bataya pi shapang ka predictive programming haka episode ka badang sudab. But ka theory ka ba ar kadei ba kinong tho but kinong shna jungani ka Simpsons kidei ki brio ki bawan na kalaway ki bawan na ka future ban ay yangi ikita ki kubor but ban ilupa yangi yaki jingja ki ban sawan ban batay lupa yaki ka ban sa jala shayla shisngi kalong ka ba ishepting but ka ba ishirkhay but pitip ba ka ba ishepting shushu kidei kita ki jinget hulupa ki ban sa jaho news nam arjar arpusaw but kisnem ki ban sawan baladep yathu lupa but puni hagi episodes jongani ka cartoon The Simpsons.
Wake up, everybody! It's World War III! Quick, down to the fallout shelter. The bombs are dropping.
Let's start off with a joke. I got one. Give me that. What's the difference between Pakistan and a pancake? I don't know any pancakes that were nuked by India.
Lano Ngin Kyndit.